Petunia, are you ready to go? Here we are at Tierranegra, gorgeous plant store and nursery. Oh my gosh, just look at these begonias. Home Depot, eat your heart out. Beautiful dracaenas, got fruit trees, a lot of native plants for outside. You'll see there's an indoor area with indoor plants and then huge nursery that tears down the cliffside. Cute little succulents. Bromeliads do really well here too. Those are actually an air plant. You can stick them anywhere. And of course, they come in a million different varieties. Oh my gosh, look at these succulent planters. Just beautiful. Made out of these old metal drawers. Look at the orchids. Oh my gosh. Every time I come here, I want to buy the whole store. These are all anthurium, which are native tropical plants. I remember seeing a lot of them in Hawaii. And actually the reason that I know the names of like all these plants is that back in college in Los Angeles, I worked for one of the most well-known florists in LA. And back then, florists were also plant stores. So that's where I learned the names of just about every flower and every house plant. And these are, I know these are impatiens. And I'm just going to show you the size of the bloom compared to my finger. But normally impatiens, I know that I would buy in the US, the flowers are closer to the size, a little bigger than my fingernail. Everything here is just so lush, so beautiful. They have a lot of garden statuary and whatnot here too. And as always, we have our 3 different kinds of trash bins. You see that everywhere, every public area, every outdoor store, indoor stores, everywhere. People are so conscious of the environment here, and you just never see trash on the ground or anything like that. Here's another view inside, just kind of meandering around. Aren't these pretty? These are artificial wicker, so they're great for outside. I love these hanging rattan pieces. They're just so beautiful. They're everywhere throughout the store. And we haven't even gotten to the lower level. Look at the cacti. They're just amazing. Petunia, you gotta get your nose away from the cacti. No. Wow. Look at these hanging orchids. Oh, how beautiful. And this is a handmade candle line. These candles are so beautiful. And they of course have mixtures of fresh herbs in them and aromas. by the way, I did not up the saturation level in this video. In fact, I may even, when I go to editing, I may even have to tone it down because everything is like glow in the dark bright, but that's how it is in Colombia. Everything is just so lush and vivid. Even, you know, out in the countryside, just looking at the rolling hills and mountains, flowering trees. Here's some more air plants. Those are bromeliads. Here's some really big ones, just to give you an idea of the scale. You can see this is my thumb here, how big this is. Aw, little baby prayer plant. And then over here we have the cafe. This is my favorite part of this store, is you can have wonderful pastries, sandwiches, and coffee. They've got great espressos, cafe americano, lattes. And we'll head over there in just a little bit, but I want to show you some more of the store and the nursery. So now we're looking down at the lower level, and there's this tier after tier of all of these amazing outdoor plants too. And then up here, you see all this netting? That's because we're at 7,000 feet and the sun is very strong here. So any nurseries that you'll see out and about, even the flower farms, Colombia is a huge exporter of flowers. I mean, just amazing farms here. But all of the flowers have these screens over them. And you'll see that along the mountainside because the blooms will actually burn if they're exposed to the direct sun for too long. This store is also accessible. So not only is there a stairwell to go down to the first level, but also a ramp. Well, now we're at the cafe, going to have a small cup of cafe americano because it's late in the afternoon and I don't want to be up all night. And a cookie. And of course, I'll share my cookie with Petunia. She always gets bites of what I eat. She's so spoiled. Oh my goodness, this white chocolate macadamia nut cookie, they put in the, not in the microwave, but in a convection oven for just a minute. And it's crispy and gooey and warm and delicious. Give me a sip. Good girl.
just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.